the leaves are off the trees. We still see some behind George, but everything looks so pretty today with that sunshine out.
I know. I was sad to see the leaves go, but I'll take the sun. And honestly, it wasn't that cold either, George.
No.
It seems pretty warm still.
Yeah, very seasonable, if not warmer than it should be for this time of year. But I do kind of miss those 60s just a little bit.
Oh.
But we do have cool weather on the way for the next several days, but still warmer than average. 13 weather ball remains green. No change to our sunnier and seasonable weather pattern foreseen. And we're getting close to sunset along the lake shore. 5:14 right now along the Grand Haven, looking good. Sunshine here in Grand Rapids as well, along the lake shore in Holland, Muskegon, looking good. Temperatures are cooling off from their afternoon highs. We're an hour later now, so the peak afternoon heating takes place around 3 or 4 o'clock, and that's when our highs are reached, and now we're cooling off down to around 50 in Fremont, low 50s here in Grand Rapids, and mid 50s down to the south. Dew points also very low, and we won't have to talk about those 60-plus dew points anytime soon. Virtually sunny day here in West Michigan today. A couple of cumulus clouds earlier this afternoon, very flat cumulus clouds, high pressure building on in. We're tracking two systems. One is the hurricane, which has now emerged into the southern Gulf of Mexico. No threat to the U.S. coastline, and this storm system that's going to move up into Nebraska later on this weekend has snow here in northern New Mexico and eastern Colorado. For us, we have high pressure building in, so we've got a couple of nice sunny days. A west-northwest wind will shift around more to the north and east on Friday, but we'll stay virtually sunny all day. You can see the storm system coming out. We will see increasing clouds then on Saturday with no rain, and then 2 rounds of rain. Saturday night, we'll get a break Sunday morning. And then as this system kind of merges and moves through on Sunday afternoon, showers will return, but then that'll be it until late Wednesday next week. You can see on our hour-by-hour or day-by-day forecast all the rain coming after midnight Saturday through most of Sunday, ending Sunday night just after midnight. That's where that Monday rain comes in. And then dry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday now. We've taken the rain out for Wednesday because it's now shifted more into Wednesday night and Thursday. And as that system comes through, it's just a very dry cold front, so it may be dry starting on Monday through all of next week now. Long-range outlook calling for high chances for warmer than average readings continuing through the middle part of November with higher chances for more precipitation. I think most of that's going to be on the very front end of that with that Sunday night Monday system. Forecast then for tonight, clear skies, kind of cool, low 40s north, mid 40s south along the lake shore. Winds will pick up a little bit later on tonight, around 40 north to 41 elsewhere. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we're looking at low 40s for your overnight lows. 13 on your side forecast. Dry, sunny all day to start your weekend. 59 for a high. Look for increasing clouds Saturday. Dry all day. Rain will be late Saturday night after about 3 o'clock in the morning through all day Sunday. 2 rounds on Sunday, 61. Dry Monday and Tuesday, and then a chance of a shower now Wednesday night through next to Thursday with highs in the 50s. Cooling off out here on the weather deck as the sun has set. We still have the afterglow of the sunshine, however. We got more sunshine on the way this week. 13 weather ball is green, so no change foreseen to our more seasonable weather temperatures. And a cloudy sky, or clear skies I should say, overnight for Cocoa. And we're going to give you the green paw for Michelle to take you out this evening as we drop into the 40s, and we'll stay around 40 plus during the early morning hours. Notice the jump in temperatures between 6 and 8 a.m. because sun coming up now an hour earlier. Speaking of sunshine, solar energy graphic showing a lot of sunshine today, certainly more than yesterday, and even more during the day tomorrow. Winds will be down a little bit. It was a little bit breezy here yesterday. Today, not so bad, and we won't generate a lot of green energy from the wind here tomorrow. Even though we'll have a nice west-southwest wind bringing in some dry air. We had a couple of cumulus clouds earlier, but generally a clear pattern now. All the rain from the last 3 days has moved well out of our region. And in fact, no weather systems here in the Great Lakes region. They're all well north of Lake Superior and well off to our south and east. You notice the isobars here, they stay kind of widely apart, so that means we're not going to see any strong winds either. What we'll see as those winds turn around more to the northeast on Friday and then down to the south, south on Saturday. We'll start to see some high clouds come on in, but they're really going to thicken up during the day on Saturday. Both Friday and Saturday will be dry, just a lot of filtered sunshine, mostly cloudy by the end of the day. Here's some showers. First round coming through overnight Saturday night. It'll be while you're sleeping, and you'll wake up Sunday morning. The ground will be wet, but all the showers will have moved to the east. But there is a trailing system right in through here that will come through during the afternoon. That'll bring more rain, and that will end Sunday night. So you may get a break in the middle of the day on Sunday, but for the most part, it's going to be kind of a wet day compared to Saturday. What are we talking about rain? Nothing here tomorrow. Nothing here during the day on Saturday. This is Saturday night at 7, Sunday morning at 7 a.m. Yes, the ground will be wet, and then the bulk of the rain will come in the afternoon, and we're only talking about a third of an inch or less. Long range outlook continues the theme all fall long through the third week of November. High chances for warmer temperatures are part of the country, and a little bit higher chance for more precipitation during that 7-8 period. Forecast for tonight, though, lots of clear skies down to the low 40s north, the mid 40s south as the winds pick back up after going down a little bit out of the west. Around US 10, around 40, 41 Fremont and Greenville under clear skies. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, low 40s for your overnight lows, with that west-southwest picking up a little bit towards daybreak. 13 on your side forecast. Dry tomorrow, dry Saturday. Get your leaves finished up. Some rain very late Saturday night and into Sunday as we briefly hit 61. The rest of the days next week will be in the seasonable, if not warmer than average 50s. A little windy on Monday, and we've moved the rain out of Tuesday into Wednesday night. System coming up from the south, not going to make it here. We'll see another system next Wednesday night and Thursday. And that system, guys, may actually turn out to be dry as well. So pin our hopes on Saturday night and Sunday's rain.
Sounds good. And tomorrow, though, looks beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thanks so much, George.
George, a magnificent sunset tonight, especially on the lakeshore.
I love that word, magnificent.
Magnificent.
It was magnificent, absolutely. We got another chance for that tomorrow night as well.
Oh, that would be lovely.
Lots of sunshine.
You can see it behind me. I don't know if you can see me, but the sunset's right behind me.
Yeah, you can. There you go. The afterglow. A little dark out here on the weather deck, but yeah, looking great there. Waves are pretty calm as well. We've got another calm day coming up to start your first full weekend in November. 13 weather ball is green. No change foreseen. Actually, it's the second full weekend. Looking good here on your Friday. Today, Thursday, we saw temperatures in the mid and even upper 50s down to the south, where it made 60 in Kalamazoo, 59 in Battle Creek. Well above our average high of 51, and we forecast 58 came within our target range. We've done that 2 weeks in a row, only 2 misses in the past 31 days. And of course, we've been showing this graphic quite a bit. A lot of red on that graphic, which means over the last 31 days, there's only been what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 below average, so the warmer days continue. Lots of quiet weather across the U.S. Clear on the eastern half of the country. We have Hurricane Raphael that's going to stay south of the U.S. mainland, heading into the Bay of Campeche. This is the system that we've been looking at for the last couple of days, which is something that we'll see more and more often this winter season. There are blizzard warnings in northeast New Mexico, winter storm warnings for Colorado and northern New Mexico, where some areas have seen up to, well, let's go back one. I wanted to show you some of the snowfall totals there. There we go. Up to 3 feet of snow has fallen in portions of Colorado around San Isabel, 16 inches there in northern New Mexico. Even out here in the panhandles of Texas, Oklahoma, northwestern Kansas, and southwestern Nebraska, they've had 3 to 6 inches worth of snow. And that snow is not going to get here. We may see some scattered showers from that a little bit later on this weekend, but right now we have clear skies about the area. Going through hour by hour, clear overnight, lots of sunshine here tomorrow, just a few high clouds at the end of the day. We'll call it virtually sunny. Clear again tomorrow night, but the clouds will thicken up during the day Saturday, but it will stay dry on Saturday as well. So a couple of days to get some yard work done. One round of showers comes through very late Saturday night. This is after midnight, and they'll be out of the area by 7 a.m., but it's the next weather system coming in from the northwest that brings in some showers later in the day on Sunday, but those will all be gone. And next week is looking like we're going to see less in terms of precipitation compared to yesterday. 3/600ths of an inch inch on Sunday into Sunday night just past midnight. But Monday will be dry, so will Tuesday and Wednesday now. Any rain that comes in later next week will be just along a cold front. No major storms. So again, just enough to wet the ground perhaps next Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow, another beautiful day, another magnificent day. We'll call for lots of sunshine, mid and even upper 50s, very similar to what we saw today. Mid 50s, upper 50s in Greenville, there in Fremont as well. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, highs tomorrow, upper 50s to near 60 degrees. 13 on your side forecast. Again, that rain Saturday night into Sunday. Kind of not a washout, but just kind of a damp day all day. That'll be our warmest day, 61 out of the next 7. Windy, a little cooler Monday. Lots of sunshine all the way through next Wednesday, and just a smaller chance for rain the following Wednesday night now through Thursday.